Hi, this is Ashley Swanson doing my final analysis. So to start with, I went through and I found the prime form of the measures 14 through 17, that melodic line, and I plugged that in and created a matrix based off of that. Going into the analysis, I first listened for audible elements. I really noticed that this piece was lyrical in nature. It had a very ominous, mysterious, kind of unsettling feeling listening to it, especially because of the octave jumps between the harmony and the melody, and the melody. And those really draw in your ears when listening to it. I believe that would be the purpose of the composer, to do that. Looking at the row patterns, I thought it was very interesting that the melody was inverse, retrograde, retrograde, inverse, and then prime form, while the harmony was retrograde, retrograde, inverse, prime form, and then inverse. Just like they're going in the same order, just one is inverted. Then looking at these different rows, something that I noticed is that the row used in measures 6 through 9 in the harmony is the same as the row used in the following melody in measures 10 through 13. They're both retrograde inverse 6. And then in measure 6 and in measure 16, a note used in the midst of the melody needed to be applied to the harmony to complete a row. And that right there, so that this 11 and this 9 right here needed to be brought down into the corresponding harmonic rows in order to complete them. Prominent tetrachords and trichords that I found were 046 shows up quite a bit harmonically throughout the piece, and 037 appears in both the melody and the harmony. There are a few instances of 015 and 0158 as well throughout. I attempted to find similar trichords in the melody, especially at the beginning, but that proved difficult as there were so many different options for these trichords. And so I ended up focusing a majority of my time on finding similar trichords and tetrachords within the harmonic line and that bass line. Yeah, so that was my analysis.